The nice warm weather is in full swing and it's a great time for Slingshot owners. The sun is shining bright and Slingmods.com is here to make your road trips cool and more enjoyable. Check out our top 5 mods to beat the heat. Number 1. Our heat control kits act as a heat shield, protecting you from the toasty temperatures caused by the exhaust. No more cooking of the floor and cockpit area with this custom double-walled heat shield. The end result is a cooler and quieter Slingshot with our heat control kits. Number 2. Spice up the look of your Slingshot with our floor and transmission tunnel mats. These mats block heat from the road engine and exhaust, all while protecting from scratches and stains. Great for unseen road thrills and spills. Number 3. With Slingmods' fantastic range of windshields, enjoy the breeze exactly the way you like it. From classic to eye-catching, tinted to non-tinted, solid to partitioned, the choice is yours. Number 4. Take air control to the max with our adjustable wind deflectors. These are 100% adjustable and let you circulate cool air throughout the cabin. Whichever way the wind blows, we've got you covered. Number 5. Now, I personally love all the sunshine beating down on me, but for those of you who really want to beat the heat, check out our Slingshot Rooftops. To cut down on the sun's UV rays or to reduce headwind, we offer various rooftops that boast their own unique advantages. From removable canvas tops, gull wings with optional motorized doors, and convertible tops, we have a solution for all customers. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 mods to beat the heat. Head over to slingmods.com or click the links in the description below to check out the mods seen in this video and more. We'll see you out on the road.